Hey guys, I have this cute little summer outfit for little Maya, and it's like a little summer outfit. It has this cute little flower pattern on it. This puts in a pair of sunglasses. Let's open it and do a little review. Finally, now it's my turn. Yeah, it is your turn, Maya. You've been waiting so patiently. I'm very proud of you. Thanks, Mom. Alright, so now we have the little outfit with the cute little bag, and then these shoes, and then these sunglasses, and I think that's it. Alright, Maya, come here. Yeah, Mama? I want you to come here and try this stuff on. Okay. You sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, I love these sunglasses, Mom. Thank you. You're welcome. Mommy, put shoes on now, please. Maya, we don't use mine. We can say, please put shoes on me. Please put shoes on me, Mommy. Oh, those are adorable. Look at you, little Tootsie. Little Tootsie. Little Tootsie. Mom, everybody got a new outfit for me. That's okay. Maya, look. Mommy got you this blue, dress with yellow flowers on it and butterflies. Is that for me? Yep, it's for everybody. I want everybody to try them on, including you. Alright, let's. Ooh, that's super duper cute. And it's super duper pretty. Here we have it. Alright, Maya. Let's try this outfit on you. 1, 2. And look how cute that is. Now here is this little outfit from Hasbro. It's got blue and yellow flowers on it, and green, and some sunglasses. And it also came with these shoes, and it also came with this bag, so the baby alive dolls can just look. We can mix up these outfits as well. Like this outfit will be good with her. Can I be that, please? I like that better than mine. No. Give me sunglasses, Miles. Mommy said. Mommy didn't say. Shut up. No, you. Give me sunglasses. Girls, what's going on? Nothing.